Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sea of Thieves error code Saturnbeard. The error reads, "This account for PlayStation Network was previously linked to a different Microsoft account. Please relink to the same account." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to link their PlayStation to their Xbox account. According to our research, the error occurs when the Microsoft account you are trying to link is not the one that was previously connected to your PlayStation account. Or in some cases, the error may also be system side. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to double-check your Microsoft email login. Some users found that they were entering the correct email username but using the wrong domain. For example, they were using gmail.com, but they needed to enter hotmail.com instead. So check if this is also the case with you. If the error still comes, then try recovering the account that was initially linked. One user entered their phone number and went through a security check, which revealed a previously used email they didn't recall. So you can also try this method and check if this helps. If the error persists and you are confident you are using the correct email linked to your account, then there are chances the error is coming from the system side. In that case, wait for a couple of hours and try again. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest reaching out to the Sea of Thieves support team and reporting the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.